Founded in 1989, OKAYAMA SEIKO specializes in refrigeration and OEM solutions. We integrate brass casting, forging, machining, and valve assembly processes entirely in-house. China headquarters covers an area of 120,000 square meters, designs and manufactures to serve global demands. Thailand factory locates in Rayong to facilitate local serviceability. It ensures supply, reliability, and service agility in Southeast Asian market. We offer AC service valves, ball valves, four-way reversing valves, brass forging parts, joint union and pipe assembly. With over 30 years of brass forging, machining, soldering, and assembly experience, OKAYAMA SEIKO has granted the certifications of ISO and Environmental Management System since 2002. We equip with advanced production machinery and inspection equipment to strive for perfection and precision. Inspired by our valued customers, our staffs are dedicated to excellent quality and services. OKAYAMA SEIKO is committed to design and continuous optimize your material supplies for greener and more energy-efficient future.